Sure, what's up, adventure seekers? This is Martin Tabanag, and you are watching. I am going to Dau Waterfalls in Samboan, and I'm going to tell you guys how much, how to get there, and things I'm gonna bring. So let's start with the things I'm gonna bring. So I'm gonna bring a backpack, a shirt, board shorts, hat, sunglasses, slippers, towel, dry bag, money, water, rice, what's your story, journal. And for my filming stuff, I'm gonna bring my Canon 70D, my Rode microphone, GorillaPod, GoPro, batteries, pole, my drone, and my phone. So yeah guys, these are the things I need. And now that I'm all set, let's go and hit that road. Whew. Sure, what is up guys? We are currently here in Gaisano Grand Mall. Time check, it's already 9. It's already been like 3 hours of travel. You can go there through bus, V-hires, rent a van or so, but yeah, I'm bringing my own, so thank you Dad. And now we are about to go here and buy some food, drinks for our lunch, so yeah, let's go, let's go. Yes sir, got some big cups and some tunas. So yeah guys, we got ourselves some food for this trip, and yeah, we're going back now to the road. After 4 hours of traveling guys, we are now here. Welcome to Dau Falls guys. Yeah, for 4 hours of travel time. Just use your Google Maps if you guys want to come here. And you can see a huge sign that says Dau Falls, this way to Dau Falls. And that's it. And now we are about to eat our lunch, brunch guys. We're gonna about to eat it before we head to the falls. So yeah, we got rice and tuna and water. So yeah guys, we are here about to register our names.
What's your name?
Nana. What's my name? Oh, Nana. And pay the entrance fee, which is the entrance fee name is
40 pesos.
40 per head.
20 pesos entrance fee, 20 pesos environmental.
20 pesos for environmental fee and yeah, so yeah guys, it's just 40 pesos here. Guys, this is Paul or Pauline. Pauline, yeah guys, if you wanna come here in Dau Falls, just contact Pauline. Yeah, she's the one taking the front desk guys. So this is our first time here, and I know we'll see what this falls looks like. Sure guys, this is the receipt.
Mama, yung guide Sir Ernest.
Hello Sir Ernest. Thank you Pauline. So that Sir Ernesto is our guide. Hello Sir Ernesto. Sir Ernesto, pila man ka minutes pa dong dito?
30 minutes. Pinakadugay na.
30 minutes walk. Okay guys, it's a 30 minute walk from the entrance to the falls. So yeah, good thing we brought loads of water. This is just one water jug left, and yeah, it's gonna be a long hike. My gosh, you see that guys? How gorgeous that is. Guys, we have to cross this water. Yeah, it's not that deep, but yeah, it's very cold. Normally the water here is very clear, but fortunately guys, it was raining hard a while ago, so yeah, that's why the water looks muddy and brownish. It's because of the rain, but normally it's clear. Hello guys, good afternoon. Enjoy. Had fun guys, had fun?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. How's it? Is it good? Yes. So guys, this is it. Welcome to Dau Falls. Woo! Oh shit. Fly the drone and now we're about to swim. So yeah, I think the water's so cool. It calls me and no one knows. So guys, thank you Sir Ernesto. If you guys want to go to Dau, just contact Sir Ernesto. Thank you boss. So yeah guys, that was it. That was the end of the Dau Falls trip. We got loads of cheer guys, I'm back here. Yeah, that was an amazing trip. It was just a 4-hour drive from my house to that place, and it was a good trip. It's just a one-day trip, and I just spent like 200 pesos or $4. And I hope you guys learned something from this video. You don't need a huge budget just to travel these amazing places. And I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments below. Let me know what you guys think or what information I should add or where should I travel next. And shout out to Ali. And if you want to watch more videos, you can click right over here, and more videos right over here. And don't forget to subscribe because I make videos every week, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Chew the boys!